Your degree is just a piece of paper. Your education is seen in your behavior. One great lesson I learned from my life: there is no market for your emotions. So never advertise your feelings, just show your attitude. Standing alone is better than standing with people who don't value you. Be careful who you vent to. A listening ear could also be a running mouth. Believe in yourself and your own strength. Yes, things can be difficult, life can be hard at times. You will meet many obstacles along your journey, but know that you can and you will get through each and every one. You have the strength to do so. Never stop believing in your dreams. Have courage to live the life you want. Work hard, accept the challenge, and build your castles one by one. Today, know it's okay to turn the page. Your next chapter is waiting for you. Be patient. Where there is love, good things will grow. Today, take a few minutes to sit quietly and just be thankful for all that you have. Get rid of what is holding you back: self-doubt, anxiety, bad habits. If you want something in life, you must go out and make it happen. No one is going to do it for you. Do not afraid to succeed, girl. Your hard work will pay off. Stay focused on your goals, and yes, you can do it. Make a plan for what you want in life. Go after it with all of your heart. Work hard, do your best, and never give up. Carry on, beautiful you, and know what is meant to be will always find its way. Have confidence in all that you do. Remember, you are pretty darn fabulous. Commit to your goals and focus on what you want. Make a plan and take action. You are in control. Today, stop waiting and start doing. There is no right moment to start. You just have to begin. Make today that day. Today, be grateful for all that you are and all that you are becoming. Today, take a moment to just sit and be grateful. Don't wait for happiness to come to you. Go out and make your own. Hi guys, how are you? I think all are well, by the grace Almighty Allah. At first I want to say welcome to my channel. If you want to be a good speaker English, I think you have to practice more and more. There is no other way to be a good speaker in English without practicing. So keep practicing, keep learning, keep sharing, and stay healthy.